Hello everyone, today we're going to look at the top 8 most improved players in the Mamelodi Sundowns team in 2024. On number 8 we have Thapelo Morena. Thapelo Morena is a professional soccer player who plays a right-back defender for the Mamelodi Sundowns in the Premier Soccer League. Thapelo Morena joined the Bloemfontein Celtic Youth Academy only at the age of 14 and was promoted to the senior team in 2012, and he then moved to the Mamelodi Sundowns in 2016. His achievements include winning the South African Cup, MTN 8 Cup, the Nedbank Cup, and the CAF Super Cup. On our number 7, we have Marcelo Allende. Marcelo Allende is a Chilean professional football who plays an attacking midfielder for the Premier Soccer League side Mamelodi Sundowns and the Chile national team. Allende captained Chile at the 2015 FIFA U17 World Cup, being the team's top goal scorer in the tournament, and was considered to be one of the top youth prospects in Chilean football. Marcelo has made 106 appearances across all competitions, scoring 18 goals and recorded 23 assists. On our number 6, we have Aubrey Modiba. Aubrey Modiba is a South African professional soccer player who plays as a left defender and left back for Mamelodi Sundowns in the Premier Soccer League. Modiba is currently playing for the South African national U23 team as a midfielder. He has earned 6 caps at the U23 level with the U20 team. In 2016, he was selected to represent the South African at 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro. On our number 5, we have Lucas Ribeiro. Ribeiro is a Brazilian professional football who is currently playing for the Mamelodi Sundowns in the South African Premier Soccer League. Ribeiro joined Mamelodi Sundowns in 2023. Ribeiro is known for his strong defensive skills, ability, vision, and passing rates. Ribeiro has enjoyed a fruitful season, thus making 2 goals, scoring contributions, 15 goals and 5 assists in 29 appearances in all competition in his debut Mamelodi Sundowns season. Right on the number 4, we have Ikram Reyners. Reyners is a South African football player who plays as a forward player for South African Premier Division side Mamelodi Sundowns and the South African national team. Reyners just made a history by scoring 2 goals in Sundowns 4-0 victory against Kaizer Chiefs at the FNB Stadium and became the man of the match for his outstanding performance. When Reynard was still in Stellenbosch FC, he was the club's all-time record goal scorer. He helped Stellenbosch win promotion top flight and was named 2023 Nedbank Cup Player of the Tournament. Right on number 3, we have Peter Shalulile. Peter Shalulile is a Namibian professional football who plays as a striker for South African Premier Division club Mamelodi Sundowns and the captain of the Namibian national team. Shalulile have 103 total career goals in the 19/20 season, and Deadly Strike claimed the PSL Top Goal Scorer award. On our number 2, we have Roman Williams. Williams is a South African professional football player who plays as a goalkeeper for Premier Soccer League club Mamelodi Sundowns and captains of the South African national team. In 2024, he was nominated for the Yashin Trophy, becoming the first South African football to be nominated for the Ballon d'Or award. William won the African Football League with Mamelodi Sundowns in 2023, where he made 2 important penalty saves, one against Al Ahly. On our number 1, we have Themba Zwane. Themba Zwane, also known as Mshishi, a 35-year-old South African professional soccer player who plays as an attacking midfielder for Premier Soccer League Mamelodi Sundowns and the South African national team. He has won the PSL Midfielder of the Season and been the Mamelodi Sundowns Player of the Season.